Hello dear subscribers, today I'm gonna install 2-inch lift kit to Daihatsu Hijet dump truck. That's the nicest one. This is beautiful truck. I've done a lot to it. Everything is replaced, but it's already sold. It's going to Oklahoma. The gentleman Steve is farmer. He's veteran, so I decide to take care of him. I'm gonna install that lift kit, and I'll put spacer on the underneath of the transfer case. So it's very simple to put lift kits. I mean simple with the lift I have. It's a simple, yeah. I'll show you guys where we're gonna start with. So you gotta take 3 bolts out on each side. Let's hook that thing on. That hooks up. Okay. Man, this is a nice truck, super clean. And I already did all the timing belts, all the belts brand new. So 3 bolts here. You gotta take wheel off. Yeah, you have to take a wheel off. And then I'll just do it step by step. I already got brand new, everything brand new here. The strut tops, and the rear is very simple. It's just you take that 2 bolts out, remove that hangers on each side, and put those hangers, and those on the front adjustable, so you can adjust them. Okay, I'm gonna start and do video step by step. So after you take that 3 bolts, it drops. I love Toyota. I mean Daihatsu, it's a division of Toyota. Everything is a lot simpler here. Then you release that bolt, you take it off. Now this plate, this adjustment has to point inside toward the engine, and this to the front, and then you install this part here and the bolt coming. Okay, let's do it. Let's put it on. So this plate is on, so inward, forward. Next, that's going, this plate going on the top of the strut with the original bolts. So this plate is on, this plate is on with original bolts. So all you gotta do now, lift it up and put that bolt on the middle, and then when you install everything, then you can use these adjustments to see which way you need to move your strut, forward, sideways, usually to the side, inside. That way tires will come out. So that's it, very simple. I usually move it inward, but later you can adjust it. All we gotta do, put the brake hose back. That's it, very simple. And this is it, magic happened. Brand new strut top. I put it last time when I was servicing everything. 2-inch lift kit. Oh, also on these trucks, mini trucks. Oh man, I just hit my head. Right there is a mount for transfer case and transmission. So if you're putting 2-inch lift kit, you take those 4 bolts right here, 1, 2 on another side, and then make some kind of spacer 1.5 inch. So it's slowly downsize, you know, from 2 inch to 1.5. That way it's not going to be too much stress on your U-joints and stuff. Other than that, it's very simple. I'm gonna continue this video when I will be doing the back. So right side is done. So while I was doing the left side, I didn't replace strut top on the left side. I thought it's good because it didn't make any noises. So the right side is brand new, and that's what I found. So that's, I mean, it's not nothing gonna do nothing, but on the bumps it might make noises. So I got brand new here. I'm gonna take that strut, disassemble it, and replace the strut top. Okay, strut is out. So this is very cool thing to decompress the what do you call it, spring. Very nice. So you see how it's moving. I have to do it with one hand, but it's here dangling, so I'm gonna put brand new one. Okay, this is the old one. You see, that's the biggest problem. So everybody, when you start hearing something making dingling noise, some people think it's a strut. The strut in Japanese, original Japanese struts, I never seen them going bad. One was a little leaky, but was 34 years old. Was still working, yeah. So I put lift kit back. I got brand new strut top. So that's it. All I'm gonna do, put the brake line back, and we're gonna do the back rear. And the rear is very simple. That's original hangers. That's gonna be the different on the height. Yeah. So you just take 2 bolts, one in the back, one in the front. Stick your bolt on hanger, and then push on the spring leaf, stick that bolt, and put second hanger. That's it. Simple, easy wheezy. And then we're gonna do the transfer case. I don't have original spacers. They never send them for some reason. They're supposed to come with a 1.5 inch, which maybe they don't even know about that. I'll just put some longer bolts, and maybe as a spacer I'll probably put some nuts, and that it's all it does, just holding it in place, so it's not gonna move or anything. Still rolling. Okay, front and rear lift kits on. Man, look how high it's looking. I mean, it will probably drop a little when I put it back down. Yep, the rear was is very simple. Yeah, very simple to install. All in. And I like these rims. And he's gonna put different rims and tires probably. Man, I wish he can send them to me. Fancy rims. Now I'm gonna do the transfer case. Okay, I don't have any spacers, so I'm gonna put nuts. I went to Ice Hardware, and they going right underneath of that mount between, so that will bring transfer case down. Okay, That's a hillbilly way to do it, but I'm hillbilly. And if somebody don't like it, they can just make a, it's like square aluminum plates with the holes. They can replace it. It's easy wheezy. 4 bolts. That one kind of hard to get, but that's fine. Okay, and if you guys do it, always secure the transfer case, make sure it's not gonna drop. I usually do it with the straps. Test drive. Now we're gonna test drive. Wow, that's definitely changed the way it's looking. It's very high, nice. Yeah, and he can put bigger tires too. So the main thing they need to watch that part. Okay, I'm gonna test drive it, make sure it's all good, and finish the video. Okay, it runs great. Man, it's high. Even to get in, it's a lot higher now. For some reason, this truck went up quite a bit. The other one I put 2-inch lift kit, but maybe it's already high a little, and now it's a lot higher. Yeah, man, this is awesome. Beautiful, beautiful truck for Steve from Oklahoma. Steve is a farmer, veteran, so we're gonna take care of him good. Nice truck. The bad tires needs to be replaced. Yeah, they're shaking after 80 miles an hour. I mean 80 kilometers an hour. They try to balance it, but you can see this from here maybe somehow. Yeah, right there. It's, man, that's a beautiful, nice tires. But little bumps like that does something, and they start when you're going faster. Not all of them. I think it's only front ones maybe. Yeah, I think I see here too somewhere. No, it's only one tire like that, I think. Ah, no, here's another one. Yeah. Yeah, but he said he's gonna replace tires. Yeah, right there. He's gonna replace the tires. But if it's for the farm and you're not gonna drive faster than 80 kilometers an hour, 80 kilometers, probably like 60 miles an hour, they fine. I mean, they don't vibrate or nothing, but after 80 kilometers, man, it's like it's gotta be fixed. Okay, it's all set, all done. This girl going to Oklahoma, work on the farm, and it's got AC, it's got everything. PTO dump. The filters, I put it back, the old one, because it's not gonna arrive until end of the month or middle of the month. Fuel filter. I'll just send it to Steve. And Steve, have a safe trip on the weekends. I'll see you. It's all ready to go. Have a blessed day. And that's a nice truck, yeah. Nice truck. Oh, I never opened the rear. I need to open that dump back. I'm gonna try it. Okay, everybody have a blessed day. I'll see you in the next video. I'm gonna lift up another one. I got a couple more lift kits, and I'm gonna lift the Hatsu Hi-Jet Jumbo, the 36 years old one.